this break. Alright guys, 14-15 NOIR basketball random teams number 7. Full case. What's up, Alan? If you missed the draw, here's your teams. Good luck to everybody, and thanks again for joining. National draft and honors. Okay. Yeah, I could do it. I can go in there and cancel it, and then give you the points. You can wait till after the break. All right. So I found the order. I'll just do it. All right, first up, Nikolai Vucevic, the Magic. Break me some hits, 48 of 70. Darren Williams for the Nets. Don Wu's Godfather, 35 of 70. Avery Bradley, Boston Celtics, D-Dow, 62 of 70. First hit, China jersey, Corey Brewer for the Rockets. Barber, 1168, 34 of 99. Rookie jumbo patch, Elfrid Payton, the last one, 49 out of 49. Break me some hits in the Magic. Three-color auto patch, Tim Hardaway Jr., 11 of 25. New York Knicks. Doug Severe. Enes Kanter for the Thunder, 25 of 25 auto patch. Francois with Oklahoma City. For the Magic again, Victor Oladipo, number 35 out of 35, the last one. Break me some hits. Dante Exum, patch auto for the Jazz, 24 of 99, rookie. A.A. Cree. And Auto Noir, black and white, Anthony Davis, redemption for the Pelicans, J-Dog. Two base rookies on the back, Dante Exum for the Jazz, A.A. Cree, 91 of 99, and Gary Harris for the Nuggets, Germans. 88 of 99. It's at the end of the Mega Filler video, Alan, if you want to watch it with a recap. It's on that video on YouTube. Nothing big. It's there. It's all part of the Mega Filler video. The select break as well. With a recap at the end. All right, Jeff Teague, the Hawks. D.N.H. Martin, 23-70. Ty Lawson for the Nuggets, Germans. $15-70. Michael Carter Williams for the Bucks, Salty Prune Bag. Razor's Edge. Here, let me give you a link for it. Wow, they're all sold out. Okay. Found it? Alright. Brandon Jennings for the Pistons. Patch. D&H Martin. All the videos are still uploaded to the same. We upload all the videos to the regular Firehand page still, even though he broadcasts on a different YouTube channel. All the breaks go the same one. Jumbo Patch Shabazz Napier, the Heat. 36 out of 49. Stuck it. Klay Thompson. China Patch 91 of 99. The Warriors. Tannen John Wells. Eric Gordon, the Pelicans. Patch Auto 16 of 25. Yeah, nothing big. J-Dog. Adidas Laundry Tag, RPA 1 of 5. Kyle Anderson for the Spurs. Drew Dog 78 with the Spurs. Vince Carter for the Grizzlies, 26 out of 35. C. Vessel, Blazers Grizzlies combo. And a Marcus Smart RPA for the Celtics, 11 of 99. Going to D-Dow. Rookies on the back, KJ McDaniels for the Rockets. And Barber, 60 of 90. And Glenn Robinson III for the 76ers, D&H Martin. 76 of 99. All right, third and final box. Good luck. Kobe. Dennis Bellini and the Lakers. 51 of 70. Fareed for the Nuggets. And Germans. 64 of 70. And James Harden for the Rockets. Barber. 18 of 70. Three-color patch, Kyle Korver, Atlanta Hawks. D&H Martin. Replay? I don't know. Did it? It was down to 9 last I looked. Nah, it's still at 9. 425 on the Korver. Jersey for the Rockets, KJ McDaniels. 14 of 99. The Barber. Jim Jackson for Dallas, number 8 of 49. Eagle Eye 82. Rodney Hood, 22 of 99, Utah Jazz. A.A. Cree, 2 RPAs for the Jazz, not bad. Another RPA, Boston Celtics, James Young, 2 of 99. Second RPA for the Celts, D. Dow. Josh Smith, Houston Rockets, number 3 out of 5. That is Barber, 1168. And the final hit of the break, Andrew Wiggins, rookie patch auto, 56 of 99. 4-color patch. The Timberwolves, Jay Schultz. Congrats, Schultzy. Very good, very good. For the Bucks, Jabari Parker, rookie. Salty Prune Bag, 22 of 99. And Joe Ingles for the Jazz, AA Pre, 90 of 99. That's it for the break, guys. Thanks again for watching and joining. Until next time, peace.